Hi, it's me, Toby with Metro Tech Reps. Here we are for another session of hashtag alternate selling in a COVID-19 world. I'm actually doing this recording pretty late in the day because unbelievably, I got an appointment today. Forgot to zoom my camera in a little bit. There we go. Now you have that, me and my all my glory. So anyways, today I wanted to do a video recording showing you a feature in the Mersive pod called Persistent PC. And there's tons of people talking about how the wireless content sharing folks like Mersive can bring you uh, a meeting environment that allows you to share camera and microphone with your laptop wirelessly. Well, that's a really cool use case and killer app, as they would say. However, I see a lot of applications where I just want to have a room computer plugged in, whether it be a Zoom room or just any other regular computer. And the user wants to be able to have a guest walk in and just share a presentation. Forget the concept of having them tie back to the camera and microphone in the room. They just want to be able to present. And they don't want to cut holes in the table. They don't want to core. They don't want to pull any wires. They want the table clean. So they wish the user would be able to just plug in, or I should say share wirelessly. So that's what we're going to show you today. It's the Mersive Persistent PC. And that's a setting that happens within the dashboard software. And I'll bring up that dashboard software in a moment and show you where that setting is so you see that. Today, the way that I have my system set up is that I have a Mersive pod feeding into a USB capture device. And that capture device is then putting the Mersive pod into my camera application. And that's what I'm going to show you is the actual Mersive pod stored on my computer. Before I do that, let me first show you the setting in dashboard that allows this to happen. So let me change this, let me change this over here, and I'll bring this over here so you see that. So this is Mersive's dashboard software, as you may have seen in the past. Here in the appearance and usage space, if I scroll down in my section here where I have persistent PC, where the heck is that persistent PC? Oh, down here, HDMI input mode. It's a standard post or is it a persistent post? I have it set as a persistent post. So the HDMI input that is going into the Gen 3 pod will be a room computer. I have it set up as a Zoom room, and you'll see that in a moment. And that Zoom room will be available to the users all of the time. And then I have a setting here that says presence bar, always show. And I have that so that when the PC is being shown, there's still instructions along the bottom of the screen that tells a guest user, a wireless user, how to connect, whether that be an employee or a guest. So I'll go ahead and show that concept to you now. So here is my Solstice pod on the network with a Zoom room computer plugged into it. Don't mind the time, the date. I made that up. I just stole a screenshot. It's just my laptop or one of my laptops giving you a Zoom room interface. So that's what the Zoom room would look like. And then down here along the bottom, there is a persistence bar, and it tells you, what the IP address is and who's connected and how to connect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag over my user interface. This is the user interface that is shown up when somebody wants to share on Mersive, and I'm going to hit share desktop. I'm going to hit share desktop. The persistent PC is going to go away, and my laptop will automatically show up on screen. It's pretty cool, right? If I say stop sharing, it's over here. If I say stop sharing, my PC will go away and the PC will come back. Again, if I do that again, just note, this is the PC, and it's going to slide over into the system tray that allows my laptop to be shown. And I have complete control of my app. If I wanted to actually grab my phone, I could actually also, at the same time that I was doing that, I could screen mirror my phone, and of course I didn't practice that, so it's for some reason not working. Let me check to see why that is. It's because I turned it off so that I turned it to airplane mode so it didn't ring while I was in the middle of this presentation. And I can then go and screen mirror to conference room N, and instantly I can share my screen at the same time that I share my laptop. I have the ability to then go to my system here, and I can move my computer off screen and only have my iPad, my iPhone, or if I want to bring the persistent PC back on, I can now have the persistent PC back on so I can meet a Skype meeting and also share my iPhone within the room. And so that's pretty cool. And I could also even bring my laptop back. So I can have my laptop presentation, I can have the Zoom room, and I can have my phone all being shared all at the same time. Pretty cool. I'll go ahead and delete that post. The persistent PC goes away, my laptop is there. And again, if I stop sharing my laptop, then the PC comes back. It's a pretty cool application for huddle rooms, small presentation spaces where I want a dedicated computer, but I want somebody to be able to wirelessly come in and share their content, have that computer go off screen, and then come back automatically when the guest is done presenting. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you soon, hopefully. So thanks.